Fundamental product design development process with material science and manufacturing process. Fundamental product design and development process process plus material science with manufacturing, in which design number 1, manufacturing number 2, integrated manufacturing and design number 3, in which first take design requirement of new product development, collecting information for the purpose of making new innovation product in order to solve problem inconvenience faced by human being is called design. Design component include in two things like 1, product design specification like products, dimensions, weights, its materials, availability of material suitable for a product, that is a chair, make a plastic only, not other materials, available market. Number 2, process designs manufacturing process in need workshop, in which customer satisfaction, new product, profit in new innovation product run market. Break even point. This is a new topics in which product flows in market necessary work, easy to operate, easy to transport, low cost, easy to service. Next, history of design process. Design is a single person. Single person over the well design, in which marketing plus product satisfaction, dimension, weight, material plus design, CAD, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Creo, NX, UG, CATIA, Solid Edge, Inverter, or product design software plus manufacturing process like CAM, computer aided manufacturing process like CNC, VMC, HMC, plasma, 3D printer plus manufacturing product sales in a marketing in market. Type of designs: one based knowledge, skills, creative idea, product design. Number 1, adaptive slight adaptive design, slight modification in exciting product like may product in market, like in market, or we modified our old product and run market, get more profit. Variant designs modified. Variant designs are those design which modified by material and other manufacturing technology. The original design is a new product design. Next, on the basis of nature of design problem, selection designs number 1, number 2, configuration, layout, packaging designs, number 3, redesigns, number 4, parametric designs. Next, on the basis of objective and strategy designs, number 1, production cost should be minimum. Number 2, functional design, meet the expected performance. Optimum designs are best design for given subjective function under specified constraints. Next, product life cycle PLC, in which strategy number 1, growth any product. In industries, number 2, maturity अथा maturity in industries. Number 3, declines when use the product long times, its position going to declines. Problem, next, problem with product life cycle, in which very few flow predictive life cycle, may product not run in market, then we use this product on other works. Number 2, manufacturing, in which machining such as lathe, drillings, millings, boring, threading, reaming, taping, finishing, shaper, weldings, 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 in which arc weldings, TIG weldings, MIG weldings, casting process, metal casting process, in which metal such as aluminum, copper, iron, and etc. Many gold, silver, many metal, etc., melting high temperature and contain desired shape in cavity. After after cooling, some sometime get. Number 3, integrated manufacturing and designs, in which multiple machining process run like design plus machining in HMC, horizontal milling, computer controlled 8 and 5 axis HMC, doing all operation like in which HMC in which doing all operation like drilling, boring, reaming, taping, threading, chamfering, growing, etc., etc. So this is a fundamental of designs and manufacturing with material of science and manufacturing. Please see and read these topics on my blog. This name is Advanced Digitalization Engineering and Technology in Product Designs and Development Process. Thank you.